Hey everybody, it's Chili here. How's it going? I got a little bit of an idea, and I think it's a good one. Something for the Patreon, a little bit of video action. I present to you the sliding block puzzle. Ooh. Yeah, you're probably thinking, what is this fucking bullshit that Chili is trying to get us to watch now? But here's the thing, we're not gonna make a sliding block puzzle game. I am gonna make an artificial intelligence agent that will be able to play the sliding block puzzle game. To be able to play it out of the browser like this. That, I think, is a little more interesting. What do you think? So this project here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to present this as, again, like with the assembly thing, as an optional thing that you can unlock with your Chili Bucks. It's going to be, well, we can break this problem down into a bunch of different parts. So the problem of the sliding block puzzle, obviously you're going to have to be able to solve the puzzle itself. So one part of the problem is the solver. This is like a pure computer science AI type problem, and quite interesting in and of itself. So that's one part. Now the next thing is you're going to have to be able to read the state of the game here in order to allow the solver to solve it. So read / capture. And the other part of the deal is you're going to have to be able to take the solution of the AI and actually input it into the game. So now we have, what do I call this? Control? Maybe? So now there's a bunch of ways we could go about this, right? The reading, the capturing, basically two directions we can move in this. We can do it by more or less hacking, reading into the memory of the process that is running this game program and directly reading values out of that. Or we can do it by actually like visually processing the game as a human would process it. So in this case, we would do it by capturing the screen and then doing computer vision processing on that captured image to allow our program to understand where all the elements of the puzzle are. And this one is the one that I want to do. This is kind of boring for me. This is interesting. I like ideas of things like computer vision and creating an agent that can see like we see and understand it. So definitely want to do this. And for the control, again, we can control it by writing into the process memory, hacking, or we can control it by basically sending mouse input to the game. So mouse simulation / automation. And this is again the one that we're going to do. We're not going to be reading into any processes. That stuff doesn't really interest me that much. But definitely computer vision shit interests me. Artificial intelligence shit interests me. And I do like the idea of being able to automate something, create a program that controls the mouse, and the mouse then clicks into the window just like the human would. So these are the problems that I'm going to be solving in the video. This is something that I just came up with, and I decided I want to do this. And I figure, you know what? I can try maybe taking some of you guys along with me for the ride. So starting whenever it starts, I don't know when, but I will release videos about these topics, and we're going to build basically a robot that can play this game, that can solve it and solve it optimally and with superhuman efficiency. I guess probably the hardest part of all of these sub-problems is going to be the computer vision part. I'm going to be using OpenCV for that. So the first video is going to be about computer vision, probably. About recognizing the gameplay area, recognizing the squares, and then recognizing the values of the numbers in the squares, so that our AI agent can understand the state of the gameplay field. So I hope you guys are going to be hyped for this. I am hyped for it. I think it depends on the length of the videos, but I think it's probably going to be, you know, $2 per unlock, just like the other videos. And we'll see where it goes. And I hope you guys will come with me on this little journey into programming bullshit. See you there.